Hello crafters, this is Tracy with Bewitched Crafts, and today I'd like to show you how you can view the online catalogs and the free project recipes that come with them. We'll start by going to your browser bar and typing bewitchedcrafts.ctmh.com. This will bring up my shopping website, and you'll know you're in the right place because my name, Tracy Miller, will be at the top of your screen just above the Close to My Heart logo. A little to the left and beneath the logo, you'll see a menu. The More menu at the end here has our View Catalog option, and this will bring up both the core catalog, which is released annually, and our seasonal catalogs, which come out every 2 months. The current catalog is our holiday collection with items available through the end of the year. To view the items, simply click on the arrows to the left and the right of the catalog cover image. I've just pulled up the first page of the Holly Jolly collection, and here you can see the color palette featured for Holly Jolly and some of the projects. I really like this shaker card, and I'd love to find out how it's made, so I'm going to download the recipes. I'll just scroll a little further. Here is the printable PDF version of the catalog. Here's this catalog's collection of recipes, and here's its product index. Let's click on Recipes. This will download a PDF file to your computer, and I'm going to open that file. We were on pages 6 and 7 of the catalog looking at Holly Jolly, so all I need to do now is scroll here, and you can find the projects are listed by the page they appear on. Each one of them includes all of the items needed to make the selected project, and I'd love to have you share your projects with me. Be sure to post them on our Facebook page, facebook.com/bewitchedcrafts. Thank you.